You don't have to like go like all the way to uni. You can attend classes from the comfort of your own bed. Although I do not think that's a good idea. I think you should like probably have like an area for your studying and stuff.
You don't have to wake up early in the morning, catch the train and come to, uni, come to campus.
Because I know most international students are lazy to go to the city and go to their classes, so I know how it feels.
Kind of good. Open a bottle of Pepsi Max and the bucket of KFC, lay down there to enjoy your course. Nice. As long as I need to remember to turn off the microphone, then people have no idea I'm eating.
Sometimes you can say that your lecturer, like internet lags out. That's from my experience. So the lecturer internet lags out, and she will just keep on going, and we have to repeat what we have to ask her what she said again as the internet lags out.
The drawback is that you do not, get to interact with your fellow classmates, and there's lack of interaction and communication from with your teachers.
One of my friends, he back to China. The internet issue, like some study material on the YouTube, he's unable to,
I feel like it's very hard to talk about the things that we have to talk about when like students don't even like bother like turning on their audio or their video. So it's like you're just like talking to yourself.
Whenever I know when my class is scheduled, so I set a timer on my computer and my phone, so I know I can start my classes immediately.
You have to be active during class. Like if there is something that you have trouble understanding, you have to like reach out to your teachers, and if you want like feedback on your assignments, do not hesitate to like email your teachers.
You can lay down, you can enjoy some snack, kind of relax, but don't fall asleep. That's true.